This is Claire for Blockchain of Things. This tutorial will teach you about the Retrieve Permission Rights node and how it's used in Catenis Flow. The Retrieve Permission Rights node retrieves the permission rights set for a specific permission event. Permission events are specific actions that can be set to either allow or deny at 4 levels. To review the permission levels, please watch the video at this link. All permissions events are set on the device you want to allow or deny interactions with. The device that controls what can or cannot be done to it is referred to as the subject device or controlling device, and sets its permission as to which other virtual devices can or cannot interact with it. You can name the node using the name field and set a Catenis virtual device in the connection field. The event field contains the same 12 options that we discussed in the tutorial titled Permission Events. You can learn more about these options by going back to the tutorial at this link. Now, let's take a look at the example flow found at this link. Copy the example flow, click the Node-RED hamburger menu, and click Import to display the Import Flow dialog box. Paste the flow into the import box and click the Import button. This flow is a working example implementing the Retrieve Permission Rights node. Note that after importing the example flow, you will need to set the Catenis Flow nodes to your own previously configured virtual device. If you don't remember how to do this, check out the video at this link. You can pause this tutorial now to explore this flow on your own, and the next video, you'll learn how to create this flow from scratch. Fantastic! After watching this tutorial, you should understand Retrieve Permission Rights nodes. Up next, you'll learn how to use the Retrieve Permission Rights node in runtime mode.